Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another makeup tutorial, makeup step-by-step, perfect summer makeup look.
Boy, you had it from the start. Played the game, you played your part.
And I really want to go with something that's glowy. I think I'm going to go with something more on the orange end. So let's get into this video. So for my palettes, I'm going to be using two different palettes, just two shadows. No, maybe three. No, we're going to use two shadows today, okay? And I'm going to be using my Juvia'S palettes, the Warrior 2 palette, and then we're going to go into the Nubian 2 palette. And the shades that I'm going to be using are, I'm going to use Morocco, and then I'm going to be using this orange shade right here. I think it's pronounced Zama. Those are the two shades we're going to go into, but first we're going to go ahead and prime the face. Last video, I completely forgot that step. Ooh, I'm also going to show you guys what I do to keep my eyebrows clean. I just figured I would show you guys how I do that too, in case you guys are used to going and getting your eyebrows threaded or waxed. You can still keep your eyebrows clean at home. Okay, so you see these little strays right here, and this is usually where you'd want to tweeze. Okay, so these little strayaways out of place right here that have grown in, those are the ones you want to tweeze. And I just pull from the root. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and go in with my regular routine, and we're going to start with my Pro Conceal and the orange corrector. We're just going to correct the dark circles and any of the hyperpigmentation that is unwanted. Okay, now we're moving into my foundation. Cream foundation in medium dark 3. We're going to use that to highlight. Okay, now I'm going to grab my setting powder. I'm just dipping my beauty blender into the setting powder, dabbing that off because I don't want to look too crazy. So moving on to my eye finally, and we're going to do the eyebrows last, okay? I still have on my setting powder, but I'll leave that there for a little bit. Not important. So I'm going to be using my MAC Paint Pot and Laying Low. So we're going to go into this color right here. And I'm just applying it, just kind of windshield wiping it, but I'm also going in circular motions too. This is not going to be a perfect look. It's supposed to be... I typically like for my looks to be a little on the grunge side. I just prefer it that way. And then I pull it out. Right here, I just pull it out into an angle. And this is what will help give that eyeliner look, or that nice snatched look when your hair is in a ponytail, or even if you're wearing it down like this too. But when my hair is in a ponytail, I love how my eyeshadows look. Okay, so this is the orange color that I decided to go with as my transition shade. I'm going to be going into my Nubian 2 palette by Juvia'S, and we're going to be using Morocco. Okay, and I'm just gonna, yeah, but this orange is more, it's like a burnt orange, kind of. Well, I feel like it's more on the true orange side. I really don't know, but it actually, I don't, whatever it is, I like it, okay? And that's what we're using today. And then I'm bringing it down onto the lid because I'm going to be applying the same color Morocco onto my lid as well. And I'm just bringing the remaining product up into the brow bone. Like that. And then I'm bringing it up. This is like a flat head brush, but it's a nice little medium size. And I'm going to use Morocco. Place that on my lid. We're patting it. We're not swiping it or anything like that. I'm going to be using this lovely shimmer in Ya right here in the corner. I'm not wetting it or anything like that. This is going to be like a nice little subtle shimmer on the lid. You know, you just want to, this is like, for me, the perfect little sunset, you know, sunset eyeshadow look. But it's very easy, super simple. It's still beginner friendly. Okay, so now we're going to go in with my trusted mascara, Maybelline's Big Shot. I'm just going to apply that. Today I'm not going to be applying any eyelashes. No false lashes. We're just going to use my lashes. Not everybody knows how to apply false lashes, and although I know how to, it's still a pain in the behind for me. I do not like applying false lashes. I simply just do it. If it's like a special occasion and I'm going somewhere, I'll put lashes on. So same thing, I'm going to bring those same shades, those same colors, those both oranges down to the bottom, and then I'm going to add some highlight on the inner corners of the tear ducts, and then some mascara, and oh, we can't forget to take off this setting powder. Girl. Bring it down. The lower lash line just like this, and we're going to pull it out. I don't know why the screen always turns like a really weird green. It takes away from my skin complexion. I hate that. Your girl's looking a little Caspa. I need a new one, okay? But there's still some product in there. I'm just going to take that, and I'm going to use that to brush away all of this. Okay, so now we're going to be going back into the Juvia'S Wear 2 palette, where I use these two brown colors right here to warm up the face. So let's go in with that. We're going to go in with the lighter brown first. Not contouring, we're just warming up everything. There's no contour. And let me be honest, the reason why we're not contouring is because I skipped the step with using my foundation stick. So now we're here, but it's okay. With summer looks, you don't even want to go hard and heavy anyways. I don't. So I guess it's okay that I skipped that step. Going in with this darker brown right here. I'm just applying that on top of the lighter brown. I'm going to go into my Gerard Cosmetics, the Star Powder in Lucy. adding some of the star powders onto the Cupid's bow of my lips. Guys, trust me, this is life-changing. I never not add anything to my lips without highlighting my Cupid's bow. Just like it that way. Blush, I'm going to be using one of these oranges. I'm going to use Zama, this one right here. Spray my Slay All Day Setting Spray in Coconut. Okay, I'm going to be going in with my KKW Beauty Nude 2 this time. It's the lighter brown. I always normally use my Nude 3, but since this is more on the subtle side, I figured the lip liner shouldn't be as bam. And then I'm going to be using my Gerard Cosmetics Hydro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Nude. My Cupid's bow highlighted. I'm going to apply my Gerard Cosmetics Lucy Highlight into the inner corners of the eyes. This makeup is too bomb for me to have my hair just scraggly like this. I have to do something about it. So that completes this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Also hit that bell button right beside the subscribe so that way you're notified of my future uploads. I'll catch you in my next video.